Hi, Katie Welin with Velours Floral Design. Today I'm going to go over how to make this hodgepodge pumpkin, so if you're interested in something like that, keep on watching.
The things that you will need for this project are, of course, a pumpkin, and then a bristle brush of some sort, some tissue paper. I picked this beautiful paper up from Michael's, and then your Mod Podge, which I also picked up at Michael's. So then I just painted on the Mod Podge to the pumpkin to get it all prepped. Next, I cut my tissue paper into strips the length of the pumpkin and started adhering them to the Mod Podged pumpkin. When you've placed your paper onto your pumpkin, go over the edges with the Mod Podge again so that they stick to the pumpkin. Once the project was done, I just let it dry overnight, and there you go.
That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please share this with your friends if you think they'd enjoy learning how to make a hodgepodge pumpkin with tissue paper. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more videos on crafts and floral design. Thanks. We'll see you later. Bye.